I can chill, time to celebrate, cause you got the game and you play it straight. And it's like a shame, cause you've been baked so long, and the time that you've been to respond is catching up with the wand of Jesus on. And what it comes to be is a temple of a fight that you're just not right and are ready to ignite. But when the bomb hits and you go exhibit to the trace back the day place, and then you start like a head shake and a will that you're not to feel. Your destination would have come in playing on the heart of bacon, and a way of stinging to the limit to the taking, and a grave digging up a feature beam. Then your restitution, your Jesus come to believe, and a rock to the shell and a heart to the bell. Christian bits tell me shit, what is dwell in near or having hear what hearing and a boarding and a serving what according what a determined to, and a judging me and you is not likely that you would do if you're Christian. Or what a mission, what a boom, and a say or hey or be a body of Christ. What ignite to the right of the power that you like, in the feature rabbit of what a shaving a shield, and I see my cross on my meal. I'm a flight of what it be here.